Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: which antiprotease deficiency is associated with causing emphysema? Answer: alpha-1 antitrypsin. Question: what two cutaneous complications are seen in vitamin B5, pantothenate, deficiency? Answer: dermatitis, alopecia. Question: what type of anemia is seen in vitamin B12, cobalamin, deficiency? Answer: megaloblastic anemia. Question: what is the Michaelis constant of hexokinase compared to glucokinase? Answer: lower. Question: which enzyme reversibly converts glucose 1-phosphate to glucose 6-phosphate? Answer: epimerase. Question: where in the cell does oxidative phosphorylation occur? Answer: mitochondria. Question: what is the smallest type of RNA? Answer: tRNA. Question: which enzyme in the liver moves 3 glucose 1-phosphate molecules from the branch to the glycogen linkage in glycogenolysis? Answer: 4-alpha-D-glucanotransferase, debranching enzyme. Question: what is the life expectancy of Becker muscular dystrophy? Answer: well into adulthood. Question: what mode of genetic inheritance is associated with disorders that show variable expression in a population, family due to heteroplasmy? Answer: mitochondrial inheritance. Question: how do pyruvate levels change in pyruvate dehydrogenase deficiency? Answer: increased. Question: how do alpha-fetoprotein levels change in the quad screen in Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18? Answer: decrease. Question: which dyslipidemia is referred to as type 2A dyslipidemia? Answer: familial hypercholesterolemia. Question: which receptor on hepatocytes binds to LDL, allowing for its uptake? Answer: LDL receptors, ApoB100 receptor. Question: which connective tissue glycoprotein is defective in Marfan syndrome? Answer: fibrillin. Question: what is the rate-determining enzyme of the TCA cycle? Answer: isocitrate dehydrogenase. Question: how do increased cholesterol levels influence the expression of LDL receptors? Answer: decrease. Question: which major urea cycle enzyme disorder presents with increased carbamyl phosphate levels? Answer: ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency. Question: which human gene has the longest coding region? Answer: dystrophin, DMD. Question: how many nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide molecules are made in the TCA cycle? Answer: 3. Question: what type of cell contain neurofilaments? Answer: neurons. Question: what cardiac valvular disorder is seen in Fragile X syndrome? Answer: mitral valve prolapse. Question: which molecular motor protein transports cellular cargo in the retrograde direction towards the negative end of the microtubule? Answer: dynein. Question: which apolipoprotein functions to activate lecithin cholesterol acyltransferase? Answer: ApoA1. Question: how do homocysteine levels change in vitamin B9, folic acid, deficiency? Answer: increase. Question: what is the start codon AUG code for in prokaryotes? Answer: formylmethionine, FMET. Question: what is the prodrug of 6-mercaptopurine? Answer: azathioprine. Question: what type of eukaryotic RNA polymerase makes tRNA? Answer: RNA polymerase 3. Question: in which direction across the plasma membrane does the sodium/potassium ATPase move potassium? Answer: to potassium in per ATP consumed. Question: which intermediate of the TCA cycle is supplied by the urea cycle? Answer: fumarate. Question: which water-soluble vitamin is converted to pyridoxal pyrophosphate, a cofactor used in decarboxylation reactions? Answer: vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question: what is the most common cause of death in Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: dilated cardiomyopathy. Question: which enzyme polyadenylates the 3' end of the initial RNA transcript? Answer: poly-A polymerase. Question: which nucleotide has a methyl group? Answer: thymine. Question: which water-soluble vitamin is required for the synthesis of neurotransmitters? Answer: vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question: how does regulation by ATP influence the activity of pyruvate kinase? Answer: inhibition. Question: which receptor on hepatocytes binds to HDL, allowing for its uptake? Answer: SRB1 receptor. Question: which enzyme irreversibly converts pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A? Answer: pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question: which type of DNA repair involves base-specific glycosylases that recognize altered bases and form an apernic, a pyrimidinic site? Answer: base excision repair. Question: which enzyme deficiency is seen in the lysosomal storage disorder metachromatic leukodystrophy? Answer: aryl sulfatase A. Question: what is the most common cause of genetic intellectual disability? Answer: Down syndrome. Question: how does the activity of glycogen phosphorylase change in glycogenolysis with epinephrine regulation? Answer: increase. Question: what is the rate determining enzyme of fatty acid synthesis? Answer: acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. Question: what type of collagen is found in bone? Answer: type 1. Question: which transporter on the luminal membrane of GI epithelium moves galactose and glucose into the cell with sodium? Answer: sGlut1. Question: what is the mechanism of action of uncoupling agents in the inhibition of ATP synthesis? Answer: increased permeability of the mitochondrial membrane, thereby causing a decreased proton gradient and increased oxygen consumption. Question: in which ribosomal binding site does the peptidyl tRNA molecule shift to in translocation following peptide bond formation? Answer: P site. Question: which amino acid can be converted into pyruvate by ALT? Answer: alanine, requires B6. Question: which enzyme involved in de novo purine synthesis is inhibited by the antiviral agent ribavirin? Answer: IMP dehydrogenase. Question: which two ribosomal subunits make up prokaryotic ribosomes? Answer: 30S plus 50S equals 70S. Question: which trace element, metal, is found in lysyl oxidase and is necessary for its function in collagen synthesis? Answer: copper, as cupric ion. Question: what is the rate determining enzyme of gluconeogenesis? Answer: fructose 1,6 bisphosphatase. Question: which lipoprotein is secreted from both the liver and intestines? Answer: HDL. Question: what vitamin deficiency can be caused by malignant carcinoid syndrome? Answer: vitamin B3, niacin. Question: which enzyme converts ethanol into acetaldehyde in alcohol metabolism? Answer: alcohol dehydrogenase. Question: which cellular organelle is the site where N-linked oligosaccharides are added to proteins? Answer: rough ER. Question: what B vitamin is biotin? Answer: B7. Question: where in the cell does the urea cycle occur? Answer: both mitochondria and cytoplasm. Question: how do increased fructose 2,6 bisphosphate levels influence fructose 1,6 bisphosphatase activity and gluconeogenesis? Answer: inhibition. Question: what are the 5 key cofactors required by pyruvate dehydrogenase? Answer: thiamine, lipoic acid, CoA, FAD, NAD. Question: which amino acids are necessary for purine synthesis? Answer: glycine, glutamine, aspartate. Question: where in the cell does the TCA cycle occur? Answer: mitochondria. Question: where in the cell does heme synthesis occur? Answer: both mitochondria and cytoplasm. Question: which GLUT transporter is involved in insulin-mediated storage of glucose? Answer: GLUT4. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is synthesized by intestinal flora? Answer: vitamin K. Question: which enzyme involved with de novo pyrimidine synthesis is inhibited by the antibiotic trimethoprim? Answer: dihydrofolate reductase, in bacteria. Question: what is the most common human enzyme deficiency? Answer: G6PD deficiency. Question: which carbohydrate transporter on the basolateral membrane of gastrointestinal epithelium moves fructose and glucose from the cell into the blood? Answer: GLUT2. Question: which portion of the small intestine is the site of vitamin B12, cobalamin, absorption? Answer: terminal ileum. Question: what microtubular arrangement is found in cilia? Answer: 9+2 in the center. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of multiple endocrine neoplasia? Answer: AD. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of ocular albinism? Answer: XLR. Question: what water-soluble vitamin is needed for pyruvate carboxylase activity? Answer: vitamin B7, biotin. Question: how does insulin action influence the activity of pyruvate kinase? Answer: activation, via dephosphorylation. Question: which enzyme bound to HDL and LDL esterifies 2/3 of plasma cholesterol? Answer: lecithin cholesterol acyltransferase. Question: what vitamin is deficient in scurvy? Answer: vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Question: what type of cytoskeletal filament is involved in microvilli? Answer: actin and myosin.
Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's medical podcast series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.